We run currently 6 3CX machines. It's always been the backbone of our business. One of the key components with the 3CX is that you've got your 2 stabilising legs at the back. This allows you to quickly and easily level the machine up and get it to where you need it to be. When we get to sort of the latter end of what we do here at Darlington, we call it back-end work. Back-end work involves sort of flagging, paving, drives, topsoil in the gardens. 3CX is used in a lot of that work. The ability to sort of pitch the machine where you need it, the angle you need it on, quickly and easily, just sort of makes life so much easier because you're on sort of a heap of different angles. Footpaths are higher than roads, so this is where the 3CX really comes into play.